1, 2, 3.
Are you looking to improve your English skills? Look no further. Introducing Mastering Daily English Conversations. Listen, practice, and elevate your English skills. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate way to enhance your English conversation abilities. Imagine being able to have fluent conversations with ease, whether it's with native speakers or fellow language learners. With daily English conversation practice, you'll become more confident and fluent in no time. We'll start by providing you with a variety of real-life English conversations that you can listen to and study. From casual discussions to professional dialogues, you'll have access to a wide range of topics. Followed by each conversation, we'll break down the key vocabulary and phrases used. This way, you can fully grasp their meaning and usage. Our expert teachers will guide you through the process, making sure you understand every word. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also give you interactive exercises and role plays to practice your conversational skills. This hands-on approach will help you internalize what you've learned and apply it in real-life situations. Whether it's ordering food at a restaurant, making small talk with colleagues, or expressing your opinions in a meeting, you'll be ready to handle any conversation that comes your way. So, what are you waiting for? Start mastering daily English conversations today. Boost your language proficiency and unlock new opportunities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and resources. Happy practicing!